Sai Ram. Hello students, my name is Suchita Bhausar and this lecture is for 6th standard craft period. Today we are going to learn about types of lines. These are types of lines. 7 types of lines are here. First is diagram line. So this line is thick line. Second is measuring line. Both sides are arrow is here. Then cutting line. It is thin line. Then fourth is front fold. This is dotted line. And fifth one is reverse fold. Like this fold is here. Then cutting part. This is slanting lines. These are cutting parts. And this pasting part. Okay. Then envelope number 1. We are learning about envelope number 1. Okay. Then you draw a diagram 20 by 20 centimeter. It is square. So then you take a distance here 10 centimeter. Mark a point all the 4 sides. Okay. Then 10 centimeter this point, you right side you take 1 centimeter distance and left side you take 1 centimeter distance. All 4 sides you take both the side 1 centimeter distance here. Then I'll put here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Then draw a line, cross line here, dotted line. A you join D. Then C you join F, then E you join H, and G you join B. Like this you draw diagram. You draw first in on tinted paper. I am going to show you how it is made practically. This is final envelope. See, like this. You can decorate like golden paper, then tinted paper you have at your home, and use sketch pens. Okay. Then take one tinted paper 20 by 20 centimeter. Okay, 20 by 20 centimeter. Then I will put here 10 centimeter. Like this. Mark here 10 centimeter. Also here 10 centimeter. Fourth side 10 centimeter. And here also 10 centimeter. Okay, then this point left side you take 1 centimeter distance. 1 centimeter here, 1 centimeter here. All 4 sides. Okay. Then you draw a cross line like this. Draw a cross line like this. Okay, this is front fold. Okay, now take a scale here like this and fold it properly. Okay, like this, fold this all 4 sides. Do properly. Okay, then it is cutting part. you cut properly 4 side. It is cutting part as shown in diagram. Do properly. Cutting should be neat and proper. Or 4 corners, cut it properly. Any paper you can use this. I am using drawing sheet. Any color of tinted paper, thick paper you use. Then see like this. Okay, 4 side. Okay, then you put like this. Then apply Fevicol properly. One side you fold like this. Other side you fold like this. And see how it is made properly. And after all, see like this. Okay, do it properly. Paste neat and clean. Okay. Then after that, you decorate it properly. So I am taking different types of tinted paper. Any marble paper you can use. If के आपके घर में होगा जो पेपर वो यूज करो. Okay, then I will make like this flowers. Okay, see, I am taking this 7 by 7. Then it is 6 by 6. One big paper, dark paper, and second is small paper. So like this fold for the flower, like this handkerchief fold. Okay. And take a straight line in middle point and draw a shape of flower. And cut it neat and proper shape. And open it. See how it is nice flower. Okay. Then another flower. Same process you can do here. Front fold like this. Then again one fold. This is handkerchief fold. And then again one fold. And then you draw a straight line from middle point, like this straight line, and draw a flower shape. Any shape you can draw, like this curve, then triangular. I am doing here like ace type shape. Then cut it neat. Okay, see how nice flower be ready. Okay, then you stick it in middle only, just dot here. Overlap it like this, stick it middle part only, and you have, if you have golden paper strip, you can use in middle golden circle. You cut and stick it. Like this, you can stick it here. And decorate it. Here you can stick any design you can draw here. Take one lines, like this lines, and make a design. Then take a point here and draw a small line. Okay, then here also in front of this, then again a small line. Like this you draw. Okay, then take a golden paper strip and put it here. Paste it. Like this. Take another golden paper line, cut it. जो घर में है उससे आप डेकोरेट कर सकते हैं. Okay, then we put it here nicely. See how it is. Then another line. See how nice it is. So easy now. Then take a sketch pen, blue color, and draw lines. Like the stroke you draw. Okay. Okay, then draw like this line. Make your envelope decorate properly. See, one more line here. अच्छी तरह से आपको डेकोरेट करना है। कैसे अच्छा दिखेगा वो इसके ऊपर ध्यान देना है। ओके, सी हाउ नाइस। यहाँ पे भी आप एक फ्लावर बना के स्टिक कर सकते हो। ओके, so students, this is the final envelope. So you can add more here leaves. Take any green tinted paper and draw a leaf shape and put it here both side. Any type you can draw and decorate it properly. See how nice the first envelope, and then see diagram, and your envelope is ready. Thank you.